He's close.
There is really no
we get another
plates.
sink, for the love of Jeebus.
No, we don't need another sink.
I need a sink.
You don't even do dishes anymore.
I'm still
Yeah, we buy a counter for him.
Yeah, you get another
I
counter.
don't want a counter.
Well, you're getting another counter.
Well, you're
for
getting
Christmas.
a counter and you're gonna fucking like it.
We need dishes.
Yeah, I know we don't have any though. That's the problem.
Oh, you know, that's a valid point.
Oh, my smoke break. No, no.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids.
You guys can chop this latently. I can bring that over there.
I need that pizza over here. I cannot reach it from there. Yeah, thank you.
Oil
Who
it
the
up.
fuck took that order?
Me.
You bitch. You're not the server.
Yeah, well.
What the fuck? Where did it get cheese from?
How do you like this, huh? Huh? How you like that? Huh?
I had the cheese in my hands.
Huh? How you like this, huh?
Thanks, actually. I appreciate the help.
Get more calls. Get more calls.
Cook
how you
the
like that?
pizza. You cook the pizza.
Cook the fucking pizza. 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 He's. You fucking dare! Don't you mother.
We're back.
I'm gonna kill myself. There are no plates. There are no plates. Watch, I'm gonna finish this and he's gonna do it. Watch.
I'm back. Where'd the fourth plate go?
I am holding it.
No, that's 3.
It's in the oven.
I put it in the oven earlier. I forgot about that.
It was burnt pizza.
I forgot I put that in there. Oh, whoopsie. Clumsy me.
My bad, guys. Research desk.
Fire extinguisher.
What?
Yeah, we're gonna need this for Tom, honestly.
Goodbye, research desk. My hopes and dreams have been crushed.
What?
There you go, Tom.
I hate this.
Hey, look, Tom, now you're safe.
You know what? Give me 2 seconds. I need to get water. Okay. Water's a thing of the past. It's raining out.
Love rain.
Go get water, Tom. You have time.
Yeah, go get water, go get water.
It's fine.
Go get water, go get water, go get water. Go get water, go get water. Go get water, go get water.
No.
I am the pizza lord!
Go get water. This is what I've been training for! Oh no! The fucking cheese was on fire. You're serving them cheese! Go the fuck back into your station, old man. Grab that plate and throw it in the garbage and then bring it back here to us. Grab this. Now go to the garbage, dump it. Yeah. What the this fucking guy, you
Who put that in there?
you have throw this pizza out, Tom. Throw this pizza out. Who the fuck put a full slice of pizza and plate in the fucking microwave?
There's no plate!
Who put that there? We're done, it's over. It's
No,
over.
pick up a plate! Pick up a fucking
No,
plate!
No, it's over. It's over, Cameron. He doesn't have any pizza. Take the fucking burnt pizza away, you fucking imbecile. Somebody